OnePlus 60 is the most accomplished phone we have ever seen from the company, and a bunch of new features including an in-screen fingerprint scanner and a larger battery add up to make this phone one of the best phone you can buy right now. So hello viewers, Shomit here, you're watching Techno HD, so let's get started.
I can't believe the night lay waste to all we'd given. But honestly, you've gotta know that this ain't living. But we could run from Elysium and let it.
When we talk about the pros of this phone, this is a typical T series phone from OnePlus which gets you the top end design, truly all day battery life, and a powerful rear camera. When we talk about the cons of this phone, they are not actually that bad. The first is that it does not have a 3.5mm headphone jack. Now that's obvious because they told us that they would be improving the battery capacity of this phone, so it had to be removed, but they have provided the dongle, the 3.5mm headphone jack dongle for using your old headphones. That's good. The second con for this phone is the wireless charging. It doesn't support a wireless charging, but you cannot say that it's a con for this phone because wireless charging, although it increases the efficiency of the phone, but it's not a very reliable source when your phone is at lower power, or you can say below 20%. It's not good, but when it's at higher range, that's like 50 or 60%, then it's a reliable source. So you already know that wireless charging is not that very good. The third is that it does not have a QHD display. Now HD displays are really becoming common these days, so they should have provided a HD display, but although the phone is very good. This phone differs from its predecessor, that is the OnePlus 6, only on a bigger battery, that is a 3700 mAh battery, a Type-C audio jack, and a smaller notch, which is very good and it looks very stylish. When we talk about the design of the OnePlus 60, there is not much to talk in this because we get the similar glass back sandwich design that we get in the OnePlus 6, but since the OnePlus fingerprint scanners has been moved under the display, we get intact, cleaner and plain back for the OnePlus 60, and this phone is providing a better water resistant performance than the OnePlus 6, and this phone has a smaller notch. Now that notch looks very good and attracts those people who don't like notches, even if they are small or big. And a smaller notch provides you a better screening display, as the bigger notches cover a major part of the displays. Now when we talk about the display that we get on the OnePlus 60, it is 6.41 inches, 1080 x 2340 pixels, 19:5:9 ratio AMOLED display. Underneath that we get the in-display fingerprint sensor, which has a lot of updates from its predecessor, but it is much faster than that we get on the OnePlus 6. Now when we talk about the cameras that we get on the OnePlus 60, it has a 16 megapixel plus 20 megapixel dual lens primary camera and a 16 megapixel front camera shooter. The video recording on the OnePlus 60 is quite significant. The video shooters provides us with a 4K video recording and HDR video recording capabilities, both at 60 fps and 30 fps. Now the video recording can be done at a 2160p 60 fps, 1080p, 30, 60, 240 fps, and 720p at the 480 fps. When we talk about the storage of this phone comes with two storage options and two different RAM options. When you go to buy a 6GB RAM option, you will get a 128GB storage variant, and when you go to buy a 8GB RAM version, then you will get a 256GB storage variant. OnePlus 60 is operating on the Android OS version 9.0. It is a phablet with dual SIM support. It comes in two colors, that is midnight black and mirror black. The one which you can see in this video is the midnight black. Now this phone has a dimension of 157.5 into 74.8 into 8.2 millimeter. It weighs about 185 grams, and it has a Corning Gorilla Glass 6. This phone runs on the Qualcomm's SDM845 Snapdragon octa-core processor and has a non-removable LiPo 3700 mAh battery. Eventually, all this cool stuff comes to one thing: pricing. The OnePlus 60 comes under a 40,000 rupees premium price tag for the 6GB 128GB version, and the 8GB RAM 256GB version comes under the price tag of 45,000 rupees. 5,000 rupees increase in the price, so that is a fair price. Now, I want to know what you guys think. How many of you have already bought the 60? How's your experience been? If you were really excited for the 60 but changed your mind in the last minute, why did you change your mind? What turned you off? I mean, whether it was the removal of the headphone jack? Let me know in the comments below. So with that, it is the time to end this video. Thumbs up, thumbs down on what do you felt about this video, and also press the subscribe button and turn on the notification by pressing the bell icon so that you never miss a fresh content, and share this video with your family and friends if you can. I'm Shomit, you were watching Techno HD, and I look forward to see you in my next video. You guys have a great day. Bye bye.